Ready?
Yeah, glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, burn it down to the ground. You know what I mean? Jamaica people, but why is no man? Calm down, man. Everybody now for go shop, go buy a bag of things today. Because, turn off and something here. I come and talk to you now. Here? What I need for the right now is just calm down. If you have one bread or 2 bread in your yard, and you have either 3 pounds of flour and 4 pounds of flour, 2 pounds of rice, one this and one that can hold you. Look in that cupboard, something in that cupboard. What the mackerel I use for when? Although some of the mackerel are not, but here now, it's not a big deal like that for everybody going to kill themselves if some market now. It's all of the shop them, shopkeepers. Look at shopkeeper them. Only need to have some things at the shop them now. You know what I mean? So we don't do like drive by. Somebody want a piece of want a pound of flour, you fling it all over the whole stop, and somebody catch you in one bag and go and cook up my yard. Send it across the fence them. You know what I mean? That means nobody have to go up on the road, but at least the food can you just mass up and send the food over. I mean say you just mass up, sell something. Look shop them, only need to go out and buy certain things. Well, people need to full up at the market because you know. So if the COVID is there, you go buy some market, run to go buy food for catch COVID. You know what I mean? Calm down, man. Stay your yard. When it's market, calm down, you go. If you go down the food, go back to your yard. You know, if you go at night and pack up, because you run down food, buy a pound of flour and a pound of rice and catch COVID. That go help you? Calm down. You know what I mean? You go buy rum and catch COVID. That go help you? Calm down, man. Burn it down to the ground. I just 3 days. You know what I mean? And this shall pass. You know what I mean? Some people, you have to just try broke yourself. You don't have to eat enough over the time. If you want to put a flour in the oven, you take the time and cook it then. You know what I mean? That means you rationalize it. Survival is the key. So this is the time where them say fit as fit shall survive. You know what I mean? And all the fit now survive and all need that. So you know what you go, just try be smart. So the smarter one go survive. Burn down to the ground.